This is a guide to the Electrical and Computer Engineering Combined Degree Program. Let's talk about what the program is. It's an opportunity to double count up to 12 graduate credit hours for both a bachelor's and potential master's degree. While it does not guarantee admissions to the master's program, it does make the graduate application process much easier. There's no SOP or LOR required for CDG students, and it does result in an overall time and cost savings if you complete the master's degree. Bright Futures covers graduate courses, but only at the undergraduate rate, so the student would be responsible for the extra costs. Now, let's talk about your eligibility. You must have an undergraduate GPA of at least a 3.3, and this is the strict requirement, because applicants of a 3.3 to 3.59 GPA can double count up to 6 credit hours, and applicants that have a 3.6 or higher GPA can double count up to 12 credit hours. EE students will need 7 EEL prefix core courses and 2 EE labs, and CPE students will need at least 7 core courses, 4 being EEL prefix courses. Now let's talk about the application process. You'll need your unofficial undergraduate transcript and your resume. You're going to email the graduate admissions officer at office@ece.ufl.edu, and in your email you're going to include your transcript, your resume, your UFID, your full name, your date of birth, your gender, and your email address. Now let's talk about your timeline. You're going to apply before your last 2 to 3 semesters in the program. The spring deadline is October 1st and the fall deadline is April 1st. If you're admitted, you're going to submit your signed admit letter and initial CDG. You're going to double count courses during your last 2 to 3 semesters, and generally you're allowed to double count 5,000 plus level EE prefix lecture-based and letter-graded courses. You must register the graduate section of undergrad-grad combined courses, and only courses where the student earned a B or higher are eligible to transfer to the master's program. Students will be emailed at the beginning of their undergraduate graduation term a round-drop ad, and you're going to submit your graduate application and submit a final updated combined degree request form. Here are some commonly asked questions. What if you change your mind on what courses you want to take? That's totally fine, just stick to ECE courses or related courses, and you can always ask if you're unsure. Now, what if your GPA is a 3.5 but you want to double count 12 credits? The GPA requirement is strict, but if your GPA goes up after you're admitted to the combined degree program, you are able to be increased from 6 to 12 credits. Now, what if you want to take a break after you graduate from undergrad? You're only allowed to take up to 2 semesters off if you want to double count your courses. You might be wondering if you could transfer more than 12 credits to the program. Unfortunately, you cannot. The 12 credit is the max, and this is the grad school rule. If you have any other questions, feel free to email office@ece.ufl.edu. And good luck with your applications, and go Gators!